After processing the template, you will receive a PDF. Open the PDF and click on the Edit the Template button. A page will open there. Click View Template. Once the template opens, rename it to whatever you like. Then upload a few of your wedding photos and start editing following the steps shown in the video. We used Invitorium.io to create the countdown timer and RSVP form. You can easily sign up with your Google account and edit everything just like in the video. If you still find anything confusing, feel free contact to me by email or WhatsApp. I will set up everything up for you for free. Thank you.